Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Midnight Magic Tarot Deck of Mushrooms by Sara Richard. This is published by Adams Media from Simon & Schuster, retailing for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have my link tree that will provide you all of my social media links, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot where I sell crochet goodies like these mushrooms, as well as ritual items for you guys. So check that all out if you haven't done so already. Now let's begin. So illuminate your path with the beautiful fungi of the forest and beyond. Discover Midnight Magic, where you'll find 78 unique tarot cards rooted in the mysterious world of mushrooms. Based on the Rider-Waite deck, these cards depict traditional tarot through fungi, from the authoritative red-capped fly agaric as the emperor to the brightly colored chicken of the woods as the impetuous fool, and so many more. Created by renowned artist Sara Richard, this deck is filled with magical artwork reflecting the hidden and enchanting power of mushrooms. I am so excited. I know a lot of you have requested this deck, so I cannot wait. I love a good mushroom art and all. So the box looks great. It's nice and sturdy. Look at how cute. Oh, I'm excited. All right. Oh, get that last card out there. All right. Before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's anything important that we need to see before using. Never under any circumstances should wild mushrooms be ingested that have not been professionally confirmed as edible. It is the sole responsibility of the reader to positively identify any wild mushrooms they harvest. Absolutely. Warning. Okay, so we do have a table of contents here. Part 1, how to use it. So we have the about, how to read the cards and spreads, and then we have the meanings of the cards and then sorted cited. All right. Pretty. There is no right or wrong way to interpret the cards. That is left up to your intuition. Okay, so then we have a 1-card spread, a 3-card spread, the Celtic cross spread, and we have a 6-card pentagram spread. And then it goes into the cards and they are color printed. Nice. Okay, and then we'll dive deeper with the meanings after the flip through. So there's the back. Oh, how fun. It does look like it is a matte with like a slight gloss to it because you can still see a little bit of the reflection. Let's talk cardstock. Okay, so it's more flexible. It's not as thick as I would have thought. It feels similar to the Insight Edition cardstock. Similar, but not the same. I'm not upset with it yet. We'll see how it shuffles. It's a decent size. Okay, no borders. And we have animals. Oh, that's exciting. Number up top, title at the bottom, and it does give you the name of the mushroom, so that's exciting. I do not know all my mushroom names. I just love looking at them. And it gives you the scientific or Latin name as well. Love the art style. I hope that the guidebook gives the associations of the mushroom, because I would like to know why this particular one was chosen for this energy. Oh, I love that one. Turkey tail. Got some worms there. These would make great flashcards too. Oh, the puffball. Ooh. Oh, I love this one. The little skull. Oh, the shiitake. If it's not cooked right, man, those things turn to rubber so quickly. I'm wondering if we'll see like the dead man's toe or something like that. There's some really wild mushrooms that are out there that are super poisonous, but man, are they otherworldly. Reishi. If I remember correctly, there's a lot of healing properties in a reishi mushroom. Oh, wow. Corpse Finder. Oh, I love that. The little headstone in the back. Okay. Now we're doing minor. This was one that I was talking about, the tooth fungus. Crazy. There's so much detail. Ooh, fun. I'm really enjoying this. I think it is beautiful. I think that this would help give you education on the mushrooms. Hopefully, if the guidebook does give those correspondences and associations. But I do think it might be a little hard for beginners. But we'll see how the guidebook plays out. Ooh, that is cool looking. I love the addition of the little salamander guys. And now we have a new border for the Ace of Cups. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Lots of hidden, I'll call them Easter eggs in there. Cute. Oh, I love it. Portobello. Oh, that's so cool looking. All right, swords. Oh, we have birds of paradise. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's really pretty too. I'm really enjoying this. I think it's unique. I think it's beautiful. I think there's a lot to enjoy if you love mushrooms in general, or if you are very interested in biodiversity. Lots of things in here to be excited about. Just a different and unique take on a deck. Or if you're a fan of The Last of Us, this might be for you as well. I got through the first episode and I have not watched it because I feel like I need to work myself back into watching. It's a lot. It's so good, but oh man, there's a lot to unpack. All right, we are on the last suit here. That being said, who does not love Pedro Pascal? I mean, that man, ooh. He's such a goof, and I love that. Oh, I'm familiar with this. I've seen that before. The Prince. Oh. The blob. Oh, that is so pretty. White truffle. And the last one, oh, cute. All right, let's see how it shuffles. I love that you get 78 individual mushrooms. And let's try that again. There we go. Yeah, it does feel pretty similar to the Insight Edition decks, but I'm not mad about it. They still have flexibility. They still shuffle. Overhand shuffle is fine too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? All right, 3 of Wands. Cedar Apple Rust. Okay. Nice. This is a card of travel, and similarly, the Cedar Apple Rust is the fungus of travel in its universe. Yellow-orange powdery spores are transferred between apple and cedar host trees by attracted insects or a steady breeze. Oh, okay, awesome. So it does give you information. Oh, I love it. Okay. So upright, we have some keywords. So bonding, loyalty, and expansion. The parts of a plan are moving, changing, and expanding with red-hot gusto. A stable leader, like the sure breeze pollinating insects driven by instinctual bonds, or you, is needed to oversee this task. Then we have reversed. Underachieving, frustration, and patience. Heed the card's upright definition. However, know that delay and frustration will accompany it. Underperforming or procrastinating at this moment can erase potential game-changing opportunities. Okay. So it looks like it's the same with the Major Arcana as well. You just get a bigger picture of the card on the left-hand side. Oh my goodness, I'm excited about this because you will learn more information about each of the mushrooms. It gives you a nice breakdown of the card's meaning and how it correlates to that mushroom. It's beautifully illustrated. The price point is great at $24.99 in the US. Great at that. It's just stunning. It's so unique. It's so different. So I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are of this deck. I think that it's definitely one that I am going to enjoy getting to know and using for a little bit. And with that, I would love to know what your thoughts are. If you like it, are you excited about it? Do you already own it? Are you a mushroom person? And with your comment, if you've made it this far in the video, add a little mushroom emoji to let me know you made it this far into the end. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.